Before we discovered Jobber, basically we had a hot mess, if you will.
Yeah.
Especially as we started to scale and kind of grow a little bit, it just rapidly spiraled out of control.
You'll miss trying to remember if it was text messages or emails and going through that.
I'm Zach.
And I'm Jesse.
And together we're Montreal Contractors. We're general contractors that specialize in kitchens and bathrooms in Montreal.
We've been doing this for about 6 years, and we've been using Jobber for at least 3 or 4 of those years. When we first started, I started out on my own and very quickly realized I was going to need help with all of the paperwork. When Zach came on, it was a bit helpful, but then he was overloaded instead, so.
I felt really, really small, and that's not where I wanted to feel in business.
With Jobber, everything was in one place. It was really awesome. You had the scheduling, you had the invoicing, the estimates, the request systems, which was a huge one for us when we were looking for Jobber. Not a single application we could find had all of those things in one place.
So I think Jobber has helped us kind of reclaim our time a little bit as business owners. One thing that's really cool is the fact that, you know, even if we're on vacation and we're not actually being able to answer the phone, if we're working on site, if I'm in the process of closing a sale, those requests are still coming in. Yeah. The team is still clocked in. We're still getting the job reports. We're still getting the requests for work. And the whole system is still kind of working on its own. So it supports itself. It's not something that needs to be coddled. I don't need to hold the system's hand. So to me, it's really helped us sort of have a certain level of automation to the business.
I'd recommend Jobber to pretty much most service industry professionals, especially anybody who works with service technicians.
If you can have that competitive advantage, absolutely, I think you'd be a fool not to take it. So at any point of your business, the earlier you can get in, the earlier you can get on board with a CRM, the earlier you can get on board with a system that will work for your business, the better you'll be.
Now that we're using Jobber, we pretty much just hang out on the beach.
I mean, a little bit.